back at the absolutely beautiful Old Town Bluffton Inn talking about all the holiday seasons and festivities, and you're going to be doing some special things for that time frame. Tell us about some of the upgrades you've got in mind.
Yeah, so like we said, this is going to be our first holiday for Thanksgiving and Christmas at the Inn. So I thought that it would be really special for us to provide and offer some upgrades, some holiday upgrades to the rooms. So one of those upgrades is that we've partnered with Mary O'Neill at The Complete Home, who we just talked to. And we basically, when you go to book on our website, you would be able to elect to have a local ornament placed on your pillow at check-in. And this is something that you can take home with you, or you can share it maybe with someone that you love, that they love Bluffton as well, or you can gift it to someone that you're visiting here in Bluffton. But it's beautiful. It says, "'Tis the season," and then it says Historic Bluffton, South Carolina 2019. And these are actually collector's items. Each year she does a different charm. So this year's charm is an oyster with a pearl in it, which I think is so special.
Appropriate.
Yeah, but it really, it's a sweet keepsake for sure. And again, it's Touch of Bluffton. Here we go again. All the beautiful nuances.
And it's hand stamped too. So these aren't just things that that we're buying. These are actually people in our community that are making these excellent items, and then we're showcasing those through the Inn, which I've always felt is so important for us. And then this is another upgrade. Maybe you want something, or you want them both. I would want them both, but maybe you want the real oyster shell. And this is also made locally. Michelle's Angels, and she goes and she actually finds the oyster shells, and she gets the Spanish moss. She treats the Spanish moss, and then she makes the bow and she makes the little face. And each angel has, like I was telling you guys, a little bit of a different personality. But the mouths are hearts, which is so cute. And then it comes with a little saying. And these are something that you can also elect to have in your room. Maybe you're making a reservation for your partner and you want to maybe surprise them with this little treat. You can upgrade it right on our website. Another thing too is flowers in your room. Holiday flowers. We're going to do wreaths or things with cranberries on them that you will be able to, when you go to our website, look at the website and upgrade and have something that's maybe just a little bit holiday feeling. So
I love the story. I mean, also being the hostess with the mostest. I mean, it was fun having Mary on previously because she talked about how to entertain. And I do know this one is like, she is the ultimate entertainer.
I love to entertain.
And everybody feels your hospitality, and we love being around you. It's contagious.
Thanks.
But also along with, we just had tea earlier.
Yes.
But now it's later on.
Yes. So later on, so one of the things too is we are also upgrading our cocktail hour. We love to do a little happy hour in the Inn. It's a time for all of our guests to come around our guest bar here and talk, find similarities, find things that maybe they've done that parallel with one another, and it's always fun to do that over a nice holiday cocktail. So what we are featuring right now at the Inn is we are doing a apple cider with bourbon. So it's a bourbon apple cider essentially. And Mary talks about the little essentials and things that you can do, the touches. This is so easy. It's an easy recipe. It's literally a half a gallon of apple cider, and then it's 2 cans of ginger ale, and then a cup of bourbon. And then all you do, you've got the cranberries, which is super easy. You can put them on a toothpick here. 3 cranberries.
So adorable.
And a cinnamon stick.
Again, it's
and
a great
it
idea.
Smells beautiful. I mean, it's like holiday.
It looks beautiful.
Shall we taste it?
Yeah, we can. Cheers.
Cheers to you.
And while you all are enjoying your little tea there, you talked about the upgrades, but what about the rates for the holiday season?
Yeah, so a lot of people have called and asked. So right now we've got, I want to say we're about half full at this point. So I still have rooms available for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. We're staffed 24 hours, so when you're here for the holidays, we're here with you. We're going to be doing a excellent Thanksgiving casserole in the morning on our breakfast bar, which I'm really excited about. So you're not missing out on cooking either while you're with us. But our rates, you're going to be looking at anywhere from $245 a night to $300, depending on the night and depending on what type of room you're looking for. And again, that includes our cocktail hour. It includes a continental breakfast with our awesome Thanksgiving, breakfast casserole and our Christmas casseroles.
And snacks.
and our snacks in the room, of course.
And the cookies, mind you. They have home-baked cookies every day. You do not go hungry here. It's a B&B, I understand, but we do not go hungry here, so I want to make sure that people understand that.
No, and these are fresh baked. So
Yes,
we
they
bake
are.
them in-house. When our check-in time begins at 3 o'clock every day at the inn. So for us, we like to bake those cookies around 2:30. So when our guests start arriving for check-in, it smells delicious. I mean, it's a full experience when you come and stay with us at the inn.
It sure is. It's always a full experience when we get to come here. So that's really awesome.
I know. We had tea earlier, and now we're drinking bourbon. And you guys just might as well. I'll get you set up upstairs. Just stay with me for the week.
Well, you're clearly a one-of-a-kind, unique venue in our area. I don't know of one between here and maybe Beaufort or Charleston that's just like the Old Town Bluffton Inn. So it's very unique.
No, I agree with you, Lisa, and that's what's the beauty of this. I want to really tell our listeners and share, because the experience means everything, and Chelsea, you were very good at it, and I even listening to Mary, and how all the details.
Well, Mary and I are so passionate. We actually have the Merchant Society come here, and they do their monthly meetings, and I can't bring it home enough that we are the ambassadors of Old Town Bluffton. The walkability of the inn, sharing all of the restaurants, all of the shops that you've got to check out, the must-see things, and if you're sending your guests our way, I really want everyone to know that we take it seriously, and we make sure that experience is full and totally all Bluffton.
Well, before we leave, I just want to mention again, December 8th, we have Santa and tea for the kids, and they're reading stories. I think that's just wonderful. So again, thank you for your wonderful hospitality.
Thank you guys so much for being here. It's always so much fun.
It is, and thank you all for watching this episode of 843 TV,
where communities come to speak.